Queens, it's Donya Nicole here, back at you with another video. Alright, that was too many. But anyways, welcome back, Queens. And if you're new here, welcome to the Queens Club. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you know when I post a new video. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So as you can see with the title, today's video is just a quick look into my on-the-go makeup bag. So this is her here. This is what I put in my car or my big purse if I bring it with me. And this is what I use to freshen up the face if needed. If I'm out all day, or, you know, I'm going on a night date and, you know, you go back and you just need to freshen up. Voila, we have her right here, okay? Ooh, okay. Ooh, she switched sides of the camera. Ooh, here she go again. All right, let me stop. All right, anyways, Queens, let's get into the bag, okay, ladies? Let's get into the bag. All right, you saw that? Jumping, they ready to say hello to y'all, okay? First and foremost, we have that. Ooh, that. Give me that 1-2 pop, okay? We got our Jasmine Cherry It's not Jasmine. We got that Japanese Cherry Blossom. And you see, it's almost done because, you know, your girl be freshening up, you know, throughout the day. You just need to, you know, smell good, you know, have this on the go. So always have a small perfume bottle in your bag. I don't use this at the beginning of the day. I usually use my Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. That is my favorite perfume, by the way. Mother, father, if you're listening, that's my favorite. Just kidding. Just kidding. Anyways, moving on. So also what I keep in here is my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade with my eyebrow and spoolie brush. So these, you know, if it rains or, you know, you brush up against something, you actually knock off the fleek, then we need to go back in there and touch it up because we can't be walking around looking like who did it and ran, you know what I'm saying? So moving on, we have our mineralized skin finish pressed powder right here. So it's the same as my foundation color, not the foundation I use at the beginning of the day, but the same as my foundation color. So, you know, if I get oily in certain areas, I have a brush in here that I'll go in with. It's a small brush, travel brush, you know, just pat, pat, hit the oil, and we good to go. Okay, ladies? All right, moving on. So next I have my concealer in here just in case. You never know, you know, you might pop up with a pimple randomly. You need to pop that on there. And in here, of course, I have my travel beauty blender. I almost forgot the damn name. I have my travel beauty blender. I could, you know what I'm saying? All right. Next, I have just a natural blush color, just kind of a mauve, and it goes with everything. So, you know, if your blush, you know, dies down at the end of the day, we can just throw this on there and we are good to go. You know what I'm saying? So we have this in our bag. I also have mascara. Now, I don't know why I have this in here because, you know, my mascara stays on all day, and it's waterproof. So, but I have it in here. So you never know. Hey, I might start crying or something. Someone might break my heart or something. And I'll just be like, all right, okay, you broke my heart. Anyways, you know what I'm saying? All right, we moving on, Queens. Bigger and better. You know what I'm saying? Bigger and better. Bigger and better. Okay? All right, Queens. Anywho, moving on. Just how we just moved on from that last situation. I have my angled brush in here for my concealer if I need to hit my eyebrows and touch that up. I have not my regular everyday nice nude lipstick. This is a Lancome lipstick. They don't have the, oh yes they do, here it is. 241 Trendy Mauve. Look at that. Goes with everything. It's trendy. Oh, their marketer. Good. Guess. Trendy Mauve. Trendy Mauve 241. Hire me. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, moving on. I have my pen eyeliner. If I need to, you know, wing it, or if again we cry or it's raining and for some reason it wiped off, but probably not. I have this, so we'll just cap that. And then I also have my pen eyeliner. So black ink if I'm wearing eyeliner. Most days I don't, but I still have it in here just in case. And then I have my trusty girl right here. Y'all already know my NYX Espresso lip liner, which I'm wearing right now. Y'all see that? Let me move in closer. Move in closer for y'all. Y'all see that? Okay. All right, queens. We gotta keep our lips looking good. All right. Okay. Anyways, moving on. So speaking of lips and keeping them looking good, you already know what's about to come next. We gotta keep our lips dripping. Okay. Drip in. Okay. Queens. All right. Dripping. So I have my dollar lip gloss that typically lasts all day. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I be drinking water like no other because, you know, your girl tries to drink a gallon of water a day. So I rarely have to reapply my lip gloss. But, you know, the days I want to have a burger or I'm just whatever, blowing my nose all damn day or something like that, here is my lip gloss. But this lip gloss, I'm telling y'all right now, it stays on all day. All day. I'm telling you. I don't have to go back in. So with that, we are almost to the end of the bag, at the bottom of the bag. So here I have a spoolie that's always with me. This is for if I have my lashes on or I have individual lashes, which I tried for the first time like a few weeks ago, which you can still see I have some stragglers hanging on that need to fall off ASAP because I look crazy. But anyways, moving on. That is our word for this video. Moving on, okay? We need to move on, all right, queens? No, I'm just kidding. All right, anyways, like I said, moving on. Spoolie for the eyes, okay? And last but not least, we have our setting spray. I almost forgot the name. We have our setting spray, okay? So, you know, once we do all of our freshen up, we need to go ahead and set that bad boy. And we're back in the game, okay, queens? We are back in the game. So we are back in the game, queens. That is all that's in my makeup bag. That's all that's in my makeup bag. At the bottom, I have my eye drops. So I have my eye drops because I got LASIK in December. I used to wear glasses. Fun fact, I used to wear glasses, but I got LASIK paid for by the United States Navy, and I went ahead and got my LASIK done, got my eyes did. Can you tell? Can you tell? No, you can't. But I got my eyes did, so, you know, I have to use these Refresh Classic Lubricating Eye Drops. Occasionally, not all the time, but occasionally, I, you know, put my drops in and we good to go. You know what I'm saying? But I haven't had to use it recently, so, I mean, hey. So, anywho, that's what's in my everyday on the go bring with me travel bag, makeup bag, excuse me. So I hope you queens love this video. Let me know what you think about my travel bag, and give me some of your travel bag makeup products that you carry. Leave it down in the comments below. I would love to hear, ladies. We are family. Thank you for tuning in with the Queens Club. I will see you next week for a brand new video. Bye, Queens.